worked in an office, and I had closed that evening. I was sitting at the red light. My light turned green, and I started to go. And the last thing I remember is this bright light coming at me. About the time, the thought went through my head, I just remember like this big boom. Well, they took me to the Fayetteville hospital, and then they realized that it was a fractured pelvis. They told me right from the start, eventually you're going to have the hip replacement because of the way the fracture was. It was hard. A friend of ours went through Montlick & Associates, and he recommended that we call them because he had a really good experience with them. So when we called, they gave our case over to Michelle. She was my rock. Without her, I don't think I would have had as good an outcome as we did. She never steered me wrong. She always had our backs, and she always took good care of us. It felt good to know that these folks are in my corner. They understand everything. They know this paperwork inside and out. I was very happy with the outcome because I knew it was hard work that got it there, and I was very pleased. I would definitely recommend them. They're a good firm, and they do care.